Welcome to Hotel Me. Here, we showcase various hotel rooms to help you decide where you want to stay when traveling. Join us today as we tour the Paris Las Vegas Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada. Today we'll be taking a look at the LeMans suite inside the Paris Las Vegas Hotel and Casino. This is a 2-queen bed, 700 square foot suite. The room has a TV media center, a desk, and a seating area with a small table. There are 2 beds in the room, along with seated benches at the end of each bed for extra seating. The room also contains a wet bar, a mini bar with items for purchase, and a mini refrigerator. The suite has a separate bathroom and closet space with a large vanity seating area, a walk-in closet with a safe, and a massive bathroom. The bathroom is large enough for an oversized standing shower and a full bathtub. There are dual sinks and mirrors, along with a water closet toilet room. This bathroom is big.
There is a large and varied casino floor with numerous gaming options. It has a good amount of slots, and Paris is also part of the Caesars Rewards family. There are many table games and stadium gaming as well. There are a number of restaurants on property, including some celebrity chef options. Vanderpump in Paris, as well as Gordon Ramsay Steak. The Bedford by Martha Stewart, and Bobby's Burgers by Bobby Flay. Brioche by Guy Savoy offers coffee and a morning pastry. Alexa's is a great brunch spot and has an amazing patio area with great views. Some other great spots include Mon Ami Gabi and the Eiffel Tower restaurant. You can also stop by Cafe Americano for a quick and casual meal.
Would we stay again? At the end of the day, that's really what matters to us when it comes to the hotel room and the hotel itself. We would not stay again. Overall, the room was spacious and comfortable with solid amenities. However, there were a few issues with the condition of the room itself. The hotel has seen a good amount of wear and tear and could use some serious refreshing. The true deal breaker, though, was the check-in experience. We were in line for hours, and it was well after 10 p.m. at night when we got in line. The kiosks were all broken, which forced us to have to go to the line, and then the staff had to deal with literally hundreds of unhappy guests. We don't blame the staff for any of these issues, nor the hotel management for a clearly short-staffed and underfunded experience. Overall, the Paris Las Vegas Hotel and Casino was just not for us. Drop a comment if you stayed at the Paris Las Vegas Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada, and tell us your thoughts on your hotel experience.